What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to episode 4 of our 2013 Toyota Tacoma in beautiful hunter green that we picked up from Copart just a few short days ago. In the last video, you did see us get this suspension out. We busted everything out. We put the front end back together. We finally got some brakes for the first time since we bought this truck so we don't run over more cars in the parking lot and cause more damage. We put a good temporary fit on the radiator support. We got everything together, so today we're going to try to assemble the entire front end with all the parts that we have to see what we've got. We got to get that radiator support marked. We got to get it welded in. So you know what? That's enough talking. Let's start working. Okay, we have been working like a bunch of cavemen on this truck. It's absolutely perfect. Check out that test fit. Check out that gap. Everything was 100% on this thing. Look at the gap down that side. Did take a little bit to line everything up. We got the whole bumper support system in. We put the whole bumper on. We put the headlights in. We put the grill in. Everything lined up 100%. So we took some pink paint and we marked all on this radiator support with pink where we got to drill it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take the fenders off. We're going to take the radiator support off. We got everything marked and got a few self tappers in there. So what we got to do is we got to drill all those pink circles out. We got to get it welded on. We're going to get it welded on today. I don't know if we're going to get it painted today. Not the whole truck, just the radiator support. So we're going to get it off. We're going to get it drilled. We're going to get it back on there. Get a little well-through primer on the back side. We're going to get this sucker done. That's enough talking. Let's get to work.
Alrighty guys, so we just got done drilling the holes in the radiator support. We put that sucker back on, tacked it all in there with a couple self-tapping screws. We went ahead and put all the fenders, headlights, grill, bumper, everything back on, give it a test fit. It's almost OEM. It looks like it just pulled off the lot if this thing was painted. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna back this thing out so we get a little bit more light when it's facing outside. We're gonna get the welder out. We're gonna weld the spot welds in and get it ready to be painted. So let's get to work.
Alrighty guys, we've been working like cavemen on this truck. It's absolutely 100% all welded up. We put a little etch primer on it to keep it from rusting just a little bit. CC done so good welding that up, we might not even need to glaze it, but we might put a little bit of glaze on it. And then we're gonna paint it. We're gonna tape everything up. We're gonna get it painted. We're gonna get everything 100% painted on the front. We're gonna paint the hood. We're gonna paint the fender. We're gonna paint the bumper. We're gonna get all of this stuff painted, get the radiator and everything put back in, because we're still waiting on that dadgone door. It hadn't came in yet, so we can't let that hold us up. So we just switched our focus to this front end, and look at how beautiful that sucker is. These gaps are 100%. It turned out absolutely amazing. But you know what? I think that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. If you like this video and you like the content, drop us a like. It really helps us out. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We always post there before YouTube. We would like to say thank you to each and every one of you for stopping by and watching our videos. We're seriously thinking about getting a TRD Pro grill for this thing. Drop us a comment down below. Let us know what kind of grill should we put on this truck. We'll catch you guys next time. We're out.